Hi, my name is Muhammad Amiruddin Berizwan. My metric number is 2025882294 and I'm from class MBA 1411A.
My name is Idham Naufal. Number matches 2025800798 from class MBA 1411A.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Akimi Fadlin bin Hairul Faizal. My number metric is 2025 415384 and class MBA 1411A.
Part A, question 1. Adele planned to buy a new motorcycle that costs Rm 9,000. However, she currently has only 8,000 in saving. She is considering two options. Option 1, wait for 2 years, save her 8,000 in an account earning 4.3% interest compounded annually and buy the motorcycle later using only her savings. Option 2, buy it now by taking a small personal loan of Rm 1,000 at a 5% interest compounded annually for 2 years. Based on the option above, determine which option will be more financially wise for Adele. Support your answer with relevant calculation and reasoning. Option 1, P equals 8,000, I equals 0.043, N equals 2. So the formula for this question is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. S equal 8,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.043 close bracket the power of 2. The answer is Rm 8,000, 72 ringgit and 79 cents. So the interest is I equals S minus P, 8,000, 72 ringgit and 79 cents minus 8,000. The answer is Rm 702 ringgit and 97 cents. Option 2, S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. S equals 1,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.05 close bracket the power of 2. S equals Rm 1,102 ringgit and 50 cents. The interest is I equals S minus P, 1,102 ringgit and 50 cents minus 1,000. The answer is Rm 102 ringgit and 50 cents. My justification for this question is option 1 is better because after 2 years, Adele is short by only about Rm 297 ringgit and 21 cents, while in option 2, she will have to repay 1,102 ringgit and 50 cents. Therefore, option 1 is the cheaper and more beneficial choice for Adele.
Akil plans to sell his apartment for 500,000 3 years from now. Alternatively, he can sell it today for 445,000 and invest the amount in a saving plan that earns 4.7% interest compounded monthly. Determine whether it would be more beneficial for Akil to sell the apartment now or wait for 3 years. P equals 445,000. S is unknown. I is 0.047 over 12. To find the future value, you can use this formula. S equals P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of N. S equal 445,000, open bracket, 1 plus 0.047 over 12, close bracket, the power of 3 times 12. So the answer is 512,242 ringgit and 18 cents. After that, to find the interest, you can use this formula is interest equal future value minus principal. So S equal 512,242 ringgit and 18 cents minus 500,000. The answer is 12,242 ringgit and 87 cents. The justification is Akil better sell the apartment now because he gains around 12,242 ringgit and 87 cents more compared to waiting 3 years.
Question 3. Eric is concerned about the rising cost of higher education in Malaysia. His son is currently 12 years old and is expected to enter university at the age of 18. To prepare early, Eric deposits 9,000 ringgit into an education saving plan that earns 4.2% interest compounded quarterly. 2 years later, Eric receives a bonus and contributes an additional 450 ringgit into same account. The plan continues to earn interest at the same rate until his son starts university. Question A. Calculate the total accumulated amount in Eric's education saving plan by the time his son reached 18 years old. To find the total accumulated amount in Eric's education savings plan when his son reached 18 years old, the compound interest formula is used. The formula is S equal P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of N. So P equal 9,000, N equals to 4 times 6 equal to 24, I equals to 0.042 divided by 4, T equals 16 minus 12 equals to 4. For first deposit, S1 equals to 9,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.042 divided by 4, close bracket, the power of 24. And the answer is 11,564 ringgit and 60 cents. 2 years later, Eric contributes an additional 4,500 ringgit. This second deposit grows only from age 14 to age 18, which is 4 years. Therefore, the number of compounding period for this deposit is N equals to 4 times 1 equals to 16. Using the same formula, S2 equals to 4,500, open bracket 1 plus 0.042 divided by 4, close bracket, the power of 16. So their answer is 5,318 ringgit point 55 cents. To obtain the total accumulated amount, both future values are added. S total equals to S1 plus S2. So S total equals to 11,564 ringgit point 16 cents plus 5,318 ringgit and 55 cents. And their answer is 16,882 ringgit point 71 cents. Question B. Determine the total interest earned by that time. First thing first, you have to find the total of principal, which is using this formula, is P equal S1 plus S2. P equals 9,000 plus 4,500. So the answer is P equals to 13,500 ringgit. After that, we're gonna use this formula, which is total interest equal to S minus P. So total interest equals to 16,882 ringgit 71 cent minus 13,500 ringgit. So the answer is 3,382 ringgit 71 cent. For question 3, based on your results, evaluate whether Eric will have at least 15,000 for his son's university expenses. Explain your reasoning. So the answer is yes, Eric will have at least 15,000 ringgit for his son's university expenses. This is because the total accumulated amount in the savings plan is more than 15,000 ringgit.
Part 2, question 1. Shafiq's father left an inheritance of 1.5 million which was divided in the ratio of 6 to 2 to 2 among Shafiq and his two siblings, Kismina and Suryati. Shafiq used his entire share as the down payment for a furniture factory worth Rm 3 million. He then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charged 3.4% interest compounded monthly and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 30 years. A. Find the monthly payment. A equals 1.5 million times 6 divided 10. The answer is 900,000. 3 million minus 900,000 equals 2.1 million. I equals 0.034 over 12. N equals 360. The formula that we use on the question is A equals R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of negative N over I, close bracket. 2.1 million equals R, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 0.034 over 12, close bracket, the power of negative 360 over 0.034 over 12, close bracket. And the answer of R is Rm 9,313 ringgit and 11 cent. Question B, calculate the interest charge. 9,313 ringgit and 11 cent times 360, and the answer is 3,352,719 cent and 90 ringgit and 16 cent. 3,352,790 ringgit and 16 cent minus 2,100,000, and the answer is Rm 1,252,790 ringgit and 16 cent. Question C, if he fails to pay the first 4 monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the 5th payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. And the formula that we use is S equal R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of N minus 1 over I, close bracket. And S equals 9,330 ringgit and 11 cent, open bracket, 1 plus 0.034 over 12, close bracket, the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.034 over 12, close bracket. And the answer is Rm 46,830 ringgit and 17 cent. Question D, immediately after paying for 20 years, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount. So the formula that we use is A equal R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket, the power of negative N over I, close bracket. A equals 9,313 ringgit and 11 cent, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.034 over 12, close bracket, the power of negative 120 over 0.034 over 12, close bracket. And the answer is 946,280 ringgit and 14 cent.
Soraya plans to travel to the Balkans with her friends to achieve her dreams. She needs 30,000 ringgit. She can save only 400 per month in Bank Tabola, which offer 4.5% interest compounded monthly. How many monthly deposit must Soraya make to accumulate at least 30,000 ringgit? So, R equals 400, I equals 0.045 divided by 12, S equals 30,000, N is unknown. To determine how many monthly deposits Soraya needs to reach 30,000, the future value of an annuity formula is used because she deposits the same amount every month. The formula is S equals R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, the power of N minus 1, divided by I, close bracket. 30,000 equals 400, open bracket, 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12, close bracket, the power of N minus 1, divided by 0.045 divided by 12, close bracket. 30,000 divided by 400 times 0.045 divided by 12 equals, open bracket, 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12, close bracket, the power of N minus 1. 0.28125 equals 1.00375, the power of N minus 1. The answer is 1.28125 equal 1.00375, the power of N. Next, we use logarithm to bring down the exponent and so for N. Log, open bracket, 1.28125, close bracket, equals to log, open bracket, 1.00375, close bracket, the power of N. So you can got log, open bracket, 1.28125, close bracket, equals to N log, open bracket 1.00375 close bracket. So n equals to log open bracket 1.28125 close bracket divided by log open bracket 1.00375 close bracket. So the answer is n equals 66.2134844486. This value means Raya needs slightly more than 66 months. However, since the number of deposit must be a whole number and 66 deposit will not reach 30,000, the value must be rounded up. Therefore, Raya needs 67 months to achieve her saving goals.